Hello everybody, I'm at Chesapeake Energy soccer field. It has a very tight, short grass, and it has the airfield drainage system underneath it with the AirDrain grid, and I'm going to walk around to show you that there's absolutely no puddles anywhere that can be found like you would typically have on a normal football field or soccer field, because drainage is under every square foot of the field instead of French drains in a herringbone pattern. I'm scanning all around to see if I can find any standing water at all, and I'm not finding any. So truly amazing. Well, anyway, that's the video, and I guess I'll take a few photos now. Bye.